Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to install Windows 11 on an external hard drive and make it fully bootable. That means you can plug this drive into any computer, boot from it and run your own Windows setup anywhere like a portable Windows PC. And the best part, it's all without hurting your main operating system. Before we start, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. First we'll need two things, a Windows 11 ISO file and a free tool called Win2USB. First, open your browser and search for Windows 11 ISO. Open first website. Now scroll down to ISO download section. From drop-down select Windows 11 ISO and click Confirm. Choose your language and again click Confirm. Finally click 64-bit and your ISO file will start downloading. Now open a new tab and search for Win2USB. Open first website. Click on Download and Setup file will start downloading. While our files are downloading, we have to do some settings on our external hard drive. Now connect your external hard drive to your computer. Make sure it has at least 64 GB, mine is 500 GB. Back up your data because we'll need to format the drive during the process. Now we need to open Disk Management. Clicks the search bar and types Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions to open Disk Management. You can see I have 3 drives, Disk 0 and Disk 1 are my internal drives, and the last one, Disk 2, is the external drive we are going to prepare. We'll use the disk part utility. Search for CMD. Open the command prompt. Type disk part and press enter. A disk part windows will open. In disk part type list disk. It will show all hard drives of your PC. If you have only one internal drive, then disk 0 will internal and disk 1 will your external drive. I have 2 internal drives, so disk 2 is my internal drive. Type select and your hard drive name. This will select your hard drive. Now to wipe all existing partitions and data, type clean and press enter. Now we need the drive to be in the GPT format. Type convert GPT and press enter. Disk part successfully converts the drive. Now if I open Disk Management, Disk 2 is shown as a single block of unallocated space. Now right-click on it and create new volume. Open your Downloads folder when your downloading is complete. So this is Win2USB setup file. Open it and install by following the instructions. After installation it will open automatically. It has 3 main options but we will use first one. Click on this arrow and browse Windows 11 ISO we downloaded. Now click here and choose your hard disk. Make sure to remember this name we will need when we boot it. Once all done, click on Proceed. Click Yes for warnings. Now the process is started. This part can take some time depending on your USB speed. Once done, you will see a message like this. Close this. Now I open my hard drive. You can see our Windows files are successfully placed here. This means our drive is ready to boot. Now restart your PC to boot from external USB. When your PC restarts, continuously press boot key of your PC according to your computer brand. From the boot menu, select your hard drive with the name that was in Win to USB software. Then your PC will boot into Windows 11. Now set up your Windows 11 according to the on-screen instructions. While setting up, if it asks for a Microsoft account and you don't have one, don't worry. I've already made a video on how to skip that step. You can find it right here on my channel. After setup, you'll have a fully working Windows 11 running from your external drive. You can install apps, use it for work, or even carry your personal Windows environment anywhere. Just keep in mind, performance depends on your drive speed. SSD drives work much faster than HDDs. That's it. You now know how to install and run Windows 11 from an external hard drive. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and share your feedback in the comments section.